Hi everyone and welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today we'll talk about the Mont Saint Michel that is located in Normandie. As you can see, it's very big and very tall. We'll talk about it. It's approximately 400 hectares. Its highest point is 92 meters on the Abbey and is classified by the UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. And by 2017, the population stands to 30. This site is visited by 3 million people yearly and is very well known in the north of West France. To access it, there's a parking nearby by 1 kilometer. The parking's price is €10 in low season and €15 in high season. This site is magnificent. It includes a beautiful heritage where a church and a big mound is installed on it. A small town can be seen nearby. As you can see, hotels and restaurants are available. There's also souvenir boutiques. To access this mount, as because 1 kilometer by walking is very far and long and time consuming, they have shuttle buses that we can take for free, and that takes only 15 to 10 minutes to go to there. After arriving the 3 stoppage, there's the beautiful mount. This mount doesn't have the level risen. As you can see, if it's not accessible, it will look like this. But for this season, it's accessible and people can walk by, as you can see on this picture. And there we go. As we walk past by this mount, a lot of monuments are to be seen. Small museums nearby where they show the inmates that was once in this island. A big restaurant where, in case of a small appetizing lunch or break for a snack, you can take it. This is popularized by many people on social media where they take pictures. To access the top, the sanitary pass is mandatory, and the Abbey's visit is €8 for each person. Although it's free for under 26 years old people from the United European member, you can mostly visit the island as it's very, very big. The view is breathtaking when you see it from top. And nearby, the beach is fun too. With its soft and warm sand, your feet will be very pleased. Enough of touristic information. Now we'll talk about its short history. It was first used by the Franks in the 6th to the 7th century. And after the Roman Empire, the Vikings arrived and attacked the kingdom, and they were unable to protect it. The king of the Franks then agreed to grant the Cotentin Peninsula and the Avranchin, including Mont Saint Michel, traditionally linked to the city of Avranches, to the Bretons in the Treaty of Compiègne, 867 after Christ. The mount gained strategic significance again in 933 when William I Longsword annexed the Cotentin Peninsula from the weakened Duchy of Brittany. This made the mount definitively part of Normandy and is depicted in the Bayeux Tapestry, which commemorates the 1066 Norman conquest of England. Now back to the touristic informations. There's a particular light that glows the mont in the evening. As you can see, the mount is almost open all day from 6 a.m. to 23 at the end of the night, and is accessible by everyone. You can access it by your bike, your car, or just by walking. You can also use the free shuttles here. The equipment that is displayed here is very modern to accompany, well, the tourists. The mount has a breathtaking view. Now, there's a river flowing down there. As you may hear, this river sometimes floods the bottom part of the Mont Saint Michel. That's enough information for today, and I hope that you loved this video, and if you did, that you subscribe, comment, share, and obviously click the bell notifications. Thank you, I will see you soon, and bye bye.